What's going on, guys, gals, ladies? So got a problem here with the Chevy Cobalt, and I'm sure exact same for Pontiac Pursuit. Been looking up online. So basically my front speakers just completely stopped working, and the turn signal noise stopped working as well. I read online it's a common problem with these cars, but no one's really been able to fix it. There's one video that I've seen on YouTube. Just gonna try and get this door open here. I took the door panel apart. Now, there's one video that I've seen on YouTube, and basically the guy changed the speaker because he said the turn signal switch, the noise comes from the driver's side front door speaker. So in his video, he changed the speaker, and it worked. He had sound coming through it and whatnot. So a friend of mine has a parts car, so I went down, grabbed a spare speaker. I replaced it. Just gonna give you an idea here. So when I go turn the signal on, no noise. Now, I tried two different speakers in the door and still doesn't work. Played around with the settings, set it to just the front speakers, and still nothing. I did notice that the connector behind the door panel here, sorry for shitty lighting, this end was corroded on the old one, so I cut it, put a different end on it. It's got good connection. Tried it with two different speakers and still nothing. Checked all the fuses, but I don't think there's a specific fuse for a speaker, but everything seemed good. So but yeah, water and gravel and dust does get in through the door. It corrodes the wires. I didn't take that door panel apart to check that speaker, but if anybody has any ideas, I mean, you would think it's an electrical issue, but they just cut out. And I remember a few times driving, they would turn back, like they'd cut in and out. So I knew something. I thought maybe it got a broken wire somewhere or something, but yeah, I don't know. Getting a little frustrating. So if anybody has any solution to why or how to fix this problem, that would be awesome. Leave a comment, like, subscribe if you like. I'm gonna try and post more videos on just, car things. But like I said, I cut the wire, I cut the factory clip high, so got rid of that corroded connector, replaced it with this guy. Sorry for the lighting, it's late. Hooked up a different speaker, that didn't work. Hooked up another second speaker, that didn't work. So yeah, let me know. Thanks, guys and girls.